This newscast is brought to you by Lawo.
Hello friends and colleagues. The second day of IBC 2025 has just begun, and we're bringing you the latest updates from the show. Before giving the stage to exhibitors, let's take a moment to look back at some of yesterday's highlights.
The DVB Project hosted a briefing dedicated to native IP standardization and the current state of DVB and IP implementation. Emily Dubs from the DVB Project outlined the process of initiation and developing IP standards, paving the way for IP-based delivery of media content. Real-world use cases were presented by Ignacio Gonzalez Núñez from Eutelsat, Andreas Brewer from SES, and Bart van Utterbeek from ST Engineering iDirect. All speakers emphasized the importance of these standards in enabling the widespread IP delivery of content.
Synamedia invited journalists to a briefing focused on its role in content delivery alternatives to traditional linear broadcasting, such as IP and OTT. After a brief introduction to Synamedia's areas of expertise, the company's senior executives hosted interviews with several partners, discussing how they integrate the Synamedia solutions and services into their daily operations. Top managers from Hearst Networks, Orange, BN, OSN, and others shared their perspectives on setting up efficient content delivery across various non-broadcast channels using Synamedia's technologies.
Now let's turn to the exhibitors' innovations. Lawo's booth is once again buzzing with new developments and plenty of visitors.
Hi, welcome to IBC 2025. I'm Andreas Hilmer and we are here at Lawo. And what you see behind me is actually a dynamic media facility. So if you want to see a DMF really live in action, come and join us here at Lawo. You can spin up apps, you can turn them down. This allows you to maximize your infrastructure, to minimize the cost, and you can do all of that at no extra cost. So whether it is about audio processing, video processing, multi-viewers, all running on standard COD servers. So the Home Apps platform allows you really to build up dynamic media facilities already today. So join us here at IBC 2025. We're looking forward to seeing you.
Grass Valley has brought a wide range of innovations to the show.
Besides the LDX180 full-size camera that fits directly into your operation, same UI, same accessories, drama at the speed of light, we also now have the LDX-C180, which is the compact version. The exact same imager, exact same user interface, accessory, everything, but smaller. So this Super 35 imager, 10K global shutter, can really bring you close to the action, and that reveals additional layers of emotion that immediately will emphasize the storytelling for the viewers. The cool thing about the XCU is that you can just move it from one cradle to the next one. That means that if you have the full configuration in one truck, you just move it into the next one without any additional configuration. The latest edition is a new cradle with 12 gig SDI outputs on the back. So that means you can take it out of any IP configuration, slide it into this cradle, and you immediately get 12 gig SDI UHD straight from the back of the cradle. The complete LDX100 series is a full suite of different camera models. But what they all have in common is the ability to just mount an RF or 5G back straight to the camera, fully integrated, waterproof, all those kind of things. So with this 5G edition, you can just contribute from the camera directly into AMP wherever you have 5G coverage. Also on display we have the K-Frame VXP, a very compact version of the full K-Frame series. And the Carrera V2 panel mixes perfectly with the K-Frame VXP. So that means you get the full control over all the things that the K-Frame VXP delivers to you. So here we have Sport Producer X. It is based on AMP OS. That means you can run it anywhere in the world. And in a single interface you can really completely create a complete sports coverage, including the replays, just by touching the frames that you like and taking it straight on air. So it means very cost-efficient sports productions for the lower tier sports games. And brand new this IBC is Production Replay X. It's a fully integrated replay solution with one very nice addition. Running on AmpOS, we have an AI-based super slow motion plugin, so to say, running. That means you can change any content into super slow-mo content and directly take it to air. On the booth we show our alliance partners as integrated elements of our workflow. One very nice addition is Zoom. So with Zoom you have the team collaboration tools, of course we all know, but now you can plug those individual video streams from Zoom as ISOs into your production. So really you can build them together into one great story. Every day we make new additions to AmpOS. At this position you can learn, first of all, of course, everything about AmpOS, how it can be deployed on-prem, in the cloud, or a hybrid. You also can see how you can really deploy whatever you like it to be on the spot, just changing its shape, so to say. And the other very important thing is a new XML Gateway app. So with the XML Gateway app that is available in the Amp Store today, you can directly and deeply integrate it into AmpOS. And that means you have a very native tie-in to the core of AmpOS system, the frame cache, where you can immediately make all the link with anything MXL in the universe. Now, of course, nobody will start from scratch when you see all these new nice additions to just take advantage of them. People want to start where they are today. And for that, the ACE card is a great solution. It can take in SDI, it can take in IP, it can output to AMP, and that means that this is the sweet spot where everything comes together. AMP is of course elastic by nature, and if you think about playout, that is a perfect match, because sometimes you need more channels, sometimes less. You want to spin up and spin down those channels really dynamically. Playout X makes full benefit of that. That means you really can have your new fast channel, for instance, on air within minutes. And here we show Flamelight. It's all about collaboration, all about the story at the center of everything we do. This is a magnificent thing that really can transform businesses. It takes away any duplication of files and it makes sure people can really find the content that they have, the gold that you can mine. Inside this we also have a new tool, the AI logging. So that means it looks at the images and it harvests all the information it can from the content itself to make it searchable, really collaborate without duplication and get it on air on any channel.
Encoding, decoding, and transcoding are vital for efficient and reliable content delivery over IP networks. And Torque Video Systems is a recognized expert in this field.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Torque Video Systems booth at IBC 2025. We're really excited with a new launch of products here at this show. We've had tremendous success even on the first day with customers coming to see the latest products from Torque Video Systems. Leading that is the flagship Pelican Video Transcoder. It's a very high density transcoder that allows multiple channels to be transcoded into multiple formats in a minimal data center footprint with minimal capex and minimal energy consumption. This is an on-premises solution. We are bucking the trend against the cloud. In the end, cloud is not cheap. If you want to compare your on-prem capex expenditure to what you pay on an ongoing expense to the cloud, our payback is in a matter of weeks. In one model, we have a payback period of only 6 weeks to recover your investment. This is amazing, especially in today's economic climate. Also at the show, this is the European launch of the very cute and very attractive Puffin decoder. This very compact and economical decoder will have IP input with HDMI output and another model with SDI output. This augments the new Pelican SDI portable encoder. As a pair, we've got the Pelican feeding in through the network, across the network, and into the Puffin. The applications are endless. There's flexibility within our team to adopt the solution to meet your specific requirements. If you have a problem that needs to be solved, our product lineup, minimal customization, and very economical and fast response time allows us to help you solve your problems today. Again, we welcome you to IBC Torque Video Systems, Hall 1, booth B08. Thank you very much and have a great show.
We've got more news coming your way. Stay tuned.
This newscast is brought to you by Lawo.